everyone, this is Jackie Williams, and I want to share with you the brand new Design Spark Card Sketch Inspiration Book. Now inside this book are 30 card sketches. Each sketch has 4 variations. So let me share with you an example. For example, this is sketch 4, and you will have your standard size card going vertical. And you will have measurements to cut the pieces in letter size and also in A4 size. Now they are all in inches, but we have accommodated for these 2 sizes. Then underneath each sketch, you have a rotation of the design just to show you what it might look like if you turned it 90 degrees or 270 degrees. And then underneath we have the horizontal version. So sometimes it's the same measurements, sometimes they're different. And again, showing you the 2 rotations with all the measurements included. And then on the second page, you have a 5x5 square version with the rotations and all the measurements included. And then we have a slimline version also with the rotation and all of the measurements. Even with all of this provided, you can still, of course, modify, change the mat size, add layers, take away layers. So I've taken this sketch and made a few samples. So using this first standard sketch, almost push that over to the side, I've created this one using the beautiful gallery papers. And you can see that I have switched it and actually rotated it 180 degrees. And then I also decided I wanted that label to be going vertical instead of horizontal. Okay, then I made one using the horizontal variation. And this one I've made pretty much according to the sketch, except I didn't add an additional die cut there or embellishment. So I kept it quite simple and let the papers be the star of the show. And then for the square version, I made this one. These are all with the beautiful gallery papers. And you can see I've modified this and put 3 labels on instead of just 1. And then I made another version where I swapped the 2 panels and moved the label down here at the bottom. And then for the slimline version, I've made this one in this orientation here, but again, I changed the label to go across the panels instead of in alignment with the panels, and added ribbon and embellishments. And then I decided to make a vertical one, but again, changed the orientation of the label to suit and added some ribbon. So hopefully that gives you some ideas of how you can use this. Now the link to download the entire book with all 30 sketches, or really it's 120 with all the variations. The link is in the video description. Feel free to go and check that out, and I look forward to creating with you more in the future. This is Jackie Williams, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.